Hello everybody. Today I continue testing performance of Duino Coin on different hardware. In this video I will install and run Duino Coin miner on ESP32 board. First I downloaded miner release from GitHub. In miner folder we can find folder ESP32_code folder. Open ESP32_code.ino file with Arduino IDE. Change SSID to your Wi-Fi name. Change password to your Wi-Fi password. Enter username of Duino wallet. And rig name, it's optional. I checked that serial port is 500,000. Chose your board. I checked node MCU32S generic. Checked COM port where ESP connected. Uploading. Also I open serial port monitor. After code uploaded, we can see in serial port monitor that miner started and average hash rate is 42 kilohash per second. In future we'll check another hardware and I will create my own table with my own values. Subscribe, it will help me to make another videos, may be helpful for somebody's. Thank you for your attention.